So from tabletop position, let's find strong core and activation through the upper back. So let's start by dropping the heart space down. The spine is now hanging like a hanging bridge. And then on exhalation, I'm gonna push my hands down and lift the upper back up. So let's try one more time. Inhale, drop everything down, let it hang. And then exhale, find the lift through the upper back. So now you can see how I'm rounding in my upper back. I want to balance it out with lengthening of the neck. So as I lengthen the crown of the head forward, I push the back of the head up towards the ceiling. And now we have this strong structure in the upper back. I feel really grounded through my hands. Now we want to find the same in the lower back. So tailbone lifts up and belly button drops down. And then on exhalation, I'm going to curl the tailbone under and lift through the front of the pelvis up. Okay, let's do this one more time. Inhale, tailbone up. Exhale, curl it under. Find the lift through your front of the pelvis. Now we want to keep this lift here, but at the same time, we want to balance it out with lengthening of the tailbone backwards. Now from there, let's step the right foot back, left foot back. My heels are over toes, shoulders over wrists. And I still want to maintain these two parts of the body active. So let's try to now work on both. So I'm going to drop the pelvis, front of the pelvis, and the chest. Can you see it's a hanging bridge now? And then I'm going to lift front of the pelvis, rib cage, front of the rib cage. And then I want to find lengthening. Crown of the head forward, back of the head up, tailbone lengthening back to my heels. So this is a strong high plank structure. Now this is what we want to maintain when we go to Chaturanga dandasana. And I'm going to give you a few drills on how to get stronger for that Chaturanga. So we're going to start in high plank. And from here, you want to find that lift through the front of the pelvis, the lengthening of the tailbone, the lift through the front of the rib cage, lengthening of the crown of the head. And then from there, we're just going to bring the knees down. So essentially, we want to maintain the lift here, and the lengthening of the spine. What we're going to do right now is simply bend the elbows and make sure that the arms get at a right angle as we lower down. So on exhalation, I come lower. So this is what we want to be doing. Still keeping the lifting here and the pulling of the rib cage in. So coming to a kneeling position, we're going to just straighten one leg and keep the lift. Front of the pelvis, rib cage, lengthening. And then from there, let's just lower down. And inhale up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale up. And change legs. So now the right knee's down, left leg is straight. Lift, lift, lengthen. Exhale, chest lower. Inhale. Exhale, lower. Inhale up. If this one gets easy enough, you can try to lift the straight leg up. So left knee down, right leg straight and up. Try not to lift the side of the pelvis, keep it neutral. And then the same thing. I keep the core engaged. On exhalation, I come lower. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And then change sides. Left leg back. Lift the foot. Try to maintain the rib cage. And let's do it. Exhale down. Up. Down. Up. And then bring the knees down. And then from here, if you're strong enough, you come to high plank. Find your length, find the lift. And then on exhalation, into Chaturanga dandasana. And up. This is it for me.